how I make social media templates for my clients. Video is for people that are working with me as of right now and clients that want me to make a social media post template for them in the future. Anyways, in this video I am going to show you my entire process of how I design the social media templates and how you as a client can edit those templates. So first thing first, you need to know that I am using 3 different tools to make those social media templates. The first one is Adobe Illustrator. So I do all of my design into Adobe Illustrator, then depends on what the client is more comfortable with, I will use Adobe XD or Canva. So in this video we are going to make 2 Instagram social media templates, post, and 2 Instagram stories for the coolest brand ever called Dog Play Dress Up. This is a company that is renting and selling dog costumes for holidays. This is a really colorful and joyful, playful brand, so I think it's gonna be awesome to show you my process using this one. And at the end of this video we will go into Canva, we will bring all of our design from Adobe Illustrator to Canva, and I will show you how I share the link with my clients and how the client can edit then with templates and with his computer on his Canva. Anyways, let's get right into the design. Right now you're just going to see me design those 2 Instagram posts plus 2 stories, and you'll see me again when we are going to bring all those assets into Canva. So you guys just watched me design on Adobe Illustrator 2 stories and 2 Instagram posts. So those are templates, and as you can see in the back, all of those black window that you see into the design, this is going to be pictures. So now that I've made the template I vision into Adobe Illustrator, we're going to go into Canva and I'm going to explain to you how I do this. So basically I'm going to download all of the assets that I know you cannot use as a Canva free user, because I know that most of my clients are using Canva for free, so there are things that they won't be able to use with the free version of Canva, and if you don't have a Canva Pro you can't upload your own brand font. So I will have to, for some assets, download it on the side and then put it on the design. They will be able to edit it with another font that is either similar. Anyways, let me show you. Let's get right into Canva. Okay, so as you can see, I've got pretty much everything set up. So I'm gonna start by making the post, and I also downloaded all the assets that I made into Adobe Illustrator and upload it into Canva. So you know everything that I do in Canva is for free because I am not using Canva Pro either. So if I can do it, you can do it. You can see I made 2 Instagram posts already like blank. So I just did create a design and Instagram post, and I'm just gonna start like this, and I'm going to send those to post at ease, and then I will make a separate link for the Instagram stories. So why I am doing 2 links for this, simply because since I don't have Canva Pro, if I add the page to make an Instagram story, I can't resize it because resize is only available for Canva Pro users. I'll have to make it 2 different links. This is not a big of a deal. Okay, so let me show you what I did quick on my screen. So here, as you can see, I made 2 of the templates, right? So one is this one over here that I made on Illustrator, where that one says, your dog probably wants to be a unicorn this year. Instead of this sentence, I find approximative same font because I can upload that one. That one is almost the same, so I use this one, and I said your text goes here. So I know that the client will know that he will need to write its text over here. What is really cool about this template in particular is that the client can also change color if he wants. Alright, so we're going to make the Instagram ones, and I'm going to show you how I send the link and how they can edit it. Both of our templates are done for Instagram story as well, so now it is time to send the links. So I'm gonna start by sharing my Instagram template post. So I'm gonna do share, and then I'm gonna do share a link to edit, but I'm mostly going to use the share a link to use as template. We're going to copy the link, and then this link I'm going to send it to my client. Next, we're going to open an incognito window into Chrome, so Chrome cannot recognize anything, so it's not going to connect to my Canva. So for example, you have no idea, you never used Canva before, this is what's going to happen. You're going to add that link into your browser, and here it says a template created by Justine was shared with you, start designing now. So you're going to be, okay, yes, I want to use the template, and it's going to say, oh, to edit this design you need to sign up. So either you sign up or you sign in. So I'm going to sign in to another account, and here are the templates. So here are the templates that I've created, and now the client has it as well. Oh, okay, so how that works. So here is to put the image. So let's say client, so dog play dress up, wants to add a picture of a dog, like the dog costume, the new dog costume. So we're going to tap, they're going to have their own picture, obviously, and so here is perfect dog picture. So we're going to use this one. When you click on it, the picture is going to drop into Canva, and so you're just going to select it and drop it over that frame. The picture is there, and this is where you can write the famous sentence that says, I think your dog wants to be a unicorn this year. So this is where you can change the text. But yeah, this is basically how they can edit it. So let's do the same with stories. So here we go, here, share. I'm gonna share as a template, copy a link. You guys are going to open it. Yes, Justine wants to do it with you. You log in or you sign up, one of them. Then you're going to have it here. This is yours. This is the client's forever, okay? And again, and there you go, you have an Instagram story just like that. And if you want to change again, take another picture, drop it there, take another picture, be there. Same for those. Always the same. And then you just have to download it and you're good to go. You can reuse it all over again and again. Okay guys, that was how I create social media post template for my clients. So if you are a small business that needs social media template and you want me to design it for you then to be able to edit it and change text and images, well, you can. Leave me a comment down below if you appreciated this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss any of my future uploads. Until next time, take care and see you soon. Bye.